Westermans here again with another welding positioner, N plant, 500 kilos. This one's actually got a hole through the centre of the table of 60mm, table diameter 60 or 600mm. It's on a nice little frame to keep it at work height, or can be removed. T-slotted bed. This machine will be sold as is or as seen, serviced or refurbished to order. Quick function test of the machine. It has a foot control, but the foot control don't appear to work. We've got rotation, and we have tilt up, and obviously tilt down. The actual speed itself at the minute is not varying. Now this is either a possible PCB fault. If it is, then the machine will actually be sold serviced or refurbished with the actual variable speed working. Sold as seen will come with the actual speed at a high speed. I'll just get over to the full tilt. This is an actual model RP05T A&M plant. More details available on Westermans.com. Also other welding positioners and rotators of this size and bigger. Now the table now in the vertical. As you can see, hole straight through. There is an actual digital display, but obviously that's not working due to the speed is not varying up and down. It could just need a separate remote, as there is a couple of switches on there, but on initial startup, without further inspection, the speed doesn't appear to be varying. Like I say, more details available on Westermans.com. Thank you for looking.